Hello, my tech family. Strap in, put your phone on silent, and get ready, because if you thought the smartphone game was getting boring, Sony is here to throw a grenade into the whole party. That's right, people, the leaks are in, and the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 8 is looking like an absolute unstoppable beast. Samsung, Apple, they might want to look away, because this phone is coming for the crown. We're breaking down everything, the specs, the price, and the launch date. So smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's dive deep into the future. Let's start. Display. First up, the thing you'll be staring at all day, the display. We're talking a massive, gorgeous 6.6-inch 4K HDR OLED panel. That's sharper than anything else on the market. But it's not just about resolution. Get this, a 120Hz refresh rate for buttery smooth scrolling, and an absolutely insane 240Hz touch response rate for gamers. Your taps and swipes will feel instantaneous. Oh, and it's all protected by the latest Gorilla Glass Victus 3, and it has a super slick ultrasonic fingerprint sensor hidden underneath. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the main event. The reason you buy a Sony. The camera. When you hear the name Sony, you think of Hollywood cameras. And they've basically shoved one into a phone. This triple camera setup is a photographer's dream. First, a massive 50-megapixel wide-angle main sensor with OIS for crazy sharp, stable shots. Second, a 12-megapixel telephoto lens for perfect portraits. And third, the monster, a 48-megapixel periscope sensor with a mind-blowing 6x optical zoom. Pair that with Sony's exclusive clear image zoom tech, and nothing is out of reach. And for all my selfie lovers and content creators, you get a 32-megapixel front camera. This phone doesn't have a weak link. Performance. Under the hood, this thing is an absolute monster. It's running the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, Qualcomm's fastest and most powerful chip ever created. Think about it. Gaming at max settings, editing 4K video on the go, multitasking between a dozen apps, this phone won't even sweat. And it's all running on the brand new Android 16 straight out of the box. It's going to be smoother and smarter than ever. Battery backup. Now, with all this power, you're probably thinking, yeah, but the battery life must suck. Wrong. Sony packed a massive 5100 mAh battery in this thing. This is an all-day battery, easy. And when you finally do need to power up, you get 45-watt wired fast charging that'll get you from zero to hero in no time, 15-watt wireless charging for convenience, and a next-gen Type-C port for super fast data transfers. Price and launch date. Alright, the moment you've all been waiting for, the two biggest questions, price and launch date. Brace yourselves. This is a premium phone for premium users. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark 8 is expected to start at around $1,700 in the US. As for when you can get it, rumor has it, Sony is targeting a launch in mid-next year. So, start saving those pennies.